Okay, advanced word processing using the pre-online revision paper and work files. Question 11, we're going to look at deleting main index entries and then updating index to show those changes. And then it's asking us to delete a page break and replace with the next page break. So let's do this together. Okay, so using the Word pre-online revision work files, we're going to double click on Stadium and open that up. We're going to move down the document, and I'm just going to take off the review and put it onto original so we can see the document a bit clearer. And we're looking for executive summary. So remember, if we needed to see anything that's marked entry, and because it's asking us to delete it, then we need to use the Home tab and the Show and Hide so that we can actually see it, and there it is. So what we need to do is we need to highlight the coded area and hit the delete key carefully so we don't take out the paragraph mark as well. So the next thing we're going to do is going to go on to page 7, and in here we're actually going to mark an entry, and we're going to mark upcoming events but not include the paragraph mark. So we're going to References tab, Mark Entry, and then what it wants us to do in the main entry, it just wants us to use the word events, so we can just delete that out and leave events in there, and then mark and close. If we go to the end of the document, the final thing is asking us to update, just before the very final thing of page breaks, is asking us to update the index to show those above changes. So you can see the executive summary is still in there, and the new one we created isn't. So if I right click, and you'll see that it's updating a field, because these are all on automated fields, and we click update field, you can see that what we've done has now been incorporated. There's the events, the new one we put in, and the executive summary has disappeared. So going back to the very final part of the question, on to page 2. Here we have a page break at the end of page 2, so I'll just check we're there, yeah. And it wants us to delete that, which I've just done, using the delete key, so click on it and delete. And then it wants the next page section break. So if we go into the page layout area and the breaks area, then you've got a next page section break there. So I put that in, and that's what it looks like there. Okay, so that's that question done, and particularly the area of marking up. Okay, so that's finished. Thank you.